Welcome to a quick, insightful journey into the world of strategic investing, through the lens of the book, Master the Art of Making Money in Stocks, by Johannes Beth Gabriel. Beth Gabriel, a seasoned investor, marries psychology and strategic investing in this compelling read. In the next few minutes we will delve into the 6 key takeaways from this insightful book. Firstly, Beth Gabriel emphasizes the importance of strategic thinking in investing. This involves understanding the market, making calculated decisions, and not being swayed by emotions. It's about playing chess, not roulette. Without a strategic approach, investing is just a gamble. Secondly, the author delves into the inextricable connection between investing and psychology. Beth Gabriel highlights how emotions, biases, and mental frameworks significantly influence our investment decisions. Investing, as the book suggests, is as much about understanding your mind as it is about understanding the market. The third key takeaway is the importance of understanding market trends. Beth Gabriel emphasizes the need to stay current, using these trends to guide investment decisions. He suggests that without this knowledge, you're sailing blind. An investor disconnected from market trends is like a ship without a compass. Fourthly, Beth Gabriel stresses on the necessity of risk management in investing. It's about understanding the potential downsides, not just the upsides. It's about playing defense, as well as offense. It's about smart, calculated moves, not reckless gambles. Without risk management, even the most promising investments can lead to financial ruin. The fifth key takeaway is the value of patience and discipline in investing. Johannes Beth Gabriel underlines that waiting for the right opportunities and steadfastly adhering to your investment strategy can significantly boost your success. Patience and discipline, as the book suggests, are the unsung heroes of successful investing. Lastly, the book highlights the importance of continuous learning in investing. It underscores the necessity for investors to stay adaptable, constantly absorbing new insights and adapting strategies to the fluid investment landscape. Because in investing, as in life, the learning never stops. These 6 key takeaways from Master the Art of Making Money in Stocks provide a roadmap to successful investing. They emphasize strategic thinking, understanding psychology, recognizing market trends, managing risks, staying patient, and continuous learning. Remember, investing is not just about money, it's about strategy, psychology, and continuous learning. Please like and subscribe for more book takeaways. Thanks so much for watching Book Express.